What's happening, everybody? What's going on? Welcome to another E90 video. In today's video, I'm going to be attempting to quiet down the noisy lifters in my N52 based engine in the E90 that I drive. And in order to do that, first we're going to try to loosen up some of the old sludge and buildup that may be in the lifters and mechanical parts in the cylinder head. And to do that, I'll be trying the Liqui Moly engine flush. Basically, we will pour this whole can into the crankcase and let the car idle for about 10 minutes. And once that's done, it should clear up any varnish and sludge that's inside of those lifters and help quiet it down. I'm also going to change the oil at that point with some fresh synthetic Liqui Moly 5W40. And finally, I will follow that up with some of the Liqui Moly hydraulic lifter additive. Here's a look at all of the products I'll be using today, and as always, I will link all of these in the description below. Now, what's really cool about the Liqui Moly Molygen oil is that it has UV dyes in it, so you're able to check and see where there's new oil leaks coming from. I also purchased a small UV flashlight with this oil, and what that does is allow you to shine it around the engine after driving the car for a little while, and you'll be able to see where fresh oil is leaking from. This is really good for helping you detect leaks, new and old, that you weren't necessarily able to find in the past. Here's what my car sounds like with 269,000 miles on a cold start. In order to gain access to the drain plug, first we'll use a flathead screwdriver and turn this 180 degrees until our trap door pops open here. And right here is where we'll find our 17mm drain plug. Oh, Jesus. Our next step here is to change the oil filter. We'll use this old style oil filter wrench to loosen up our cap. Finally, we'll change the two O-rings on the housing. There's one for the larger part right here, and at the very end there's a small green O-ring to replace. Slide on the new O-ring. And again, we'll use our oil filter wrench to tighten the housing. And we'll start by filling the crankcase with 5 quarts of this green oil. Let's go ahead and add the hydraulic lifter additive. Now this is very thick, similar to like a Lucas oil additive. And one of these should get us pretty close. It's been about a week and 100 or so miles since I did the oil change, so let's do a cold start on this car and see if the ticking lifters have been improved. Alright guys, so the oil change definitely made a big improvement on this car. It has 269,000 miles, and this is the first oil change I've done since I bought the car in May. And before that, who knows when the last time the oil was actually changed. So I would say that the noise has definitely improved since changing the oil. I'm not sure how much of that is attributed to the Liqui Moly additive, the noise lifter additive, and the engine flush, but everything together did make a noticeable improvement in quieting down the valves at idle. There is still a little bit of valve noise, but according to the bottle, that should quiet down. It takes somewhere between 400 or 500 miles for those molecules to really work into the system and quiet down the valves. As always, I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, please click the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment for me in the comment box below.